Okay, good afternoon, class. Girlfriend, don't scribble like that. What's wrong? What are you scribbling on? Yes. What? Now, why are you scribbling like that? Are you okay? Alright, people, listen. We were busy with proportionality and congruency, no? Similarity and congruency. Then you guys had homework. Not so. Yeah, these 10 sums, okay? Okay, if it's hot, then we say, yo, it's hot. If it's cold, we say, yo, it's cold. And yet the son of Adam will never be grateful. No? We are ungrateful people. No? Am I right? Yes? Right, so people, this is what I expected you to have done, okay? So number 1, we say in triangle, PQR, and triangle, BAC. So what can we say? We say PQ is equal to AB. Why? Given. And then QR is equal to ACY. Given. Then PR is equal to BCY. And this is enough to conclude congruency here, not so. So therefore triangle PQR is congruent to triangle. So we go P going through the line mark 3 and then 2. So it must be BAC. The reason? Side. We use 3 sides. Okay. Any confusion there? So if you have written it as triangle, PRQ, then you have to say BCA. Can you see that, people? If you go with triangle ABC, then it must be QPR, and so on and so on. Make sense? Alright. Order is important here. Very important. Okay. Number 2. In number 2, what can we say? In triangle ABC and triangle. So we got A, B, so you're going through the one mark with one stroke to the 90. So it's going to be P, Q, R. So what can I say? AB is equal to P, Q. Why? Given. Next. Angle B, Q, which is equal to? Why? Given. Next. AC is equal to PR. Why? Given. So therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. The order was right, so it's PQR. Why? RHS. Why? We use the right hand side and we use the hypotenuse. So RHS. Alright, you guys got it?
Yes.
Let's look at number 3. Number 3, okay, at least now I can write below. Number 3, we're going to say in triangle ABC and triangle RQ. What can I say here? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Given. Angle C is equal to angle P. Why? Given. Okay. Last one. AB is equal to P. Why? Given. Are those two triangles congruent? Yes.
No.
It should have been RQ. Yes. Okay. Why do you say that to be RQ? The P has a 2 ox here. Well spotted. You see? That marked a length is opposite the one that has 2 ox. Can you see that? So I needed to know that length thing. Do I know that one? No. So from the get-go already, from the beginning, you could have just said that triangle. Now order doesn't matter. ABC is just not congruent to triangle PQR. Why? And in brackets you write that the side is not opposite the correctly marked angle. Okay. So these two triangles are not congruent. Right, let's look at the number 4. Number 4. So what do we say here? Start off by saying in triangle KLM and triangle, so if we go K must be P L, so we need to mark 2, so it has to be R O. Right, what can I say? What can I say, people? KM, yes, is equal to PO. Why? Given. Next, KL is equal to PR. Why? Given. Angle K is equal to angle P. Why? Given. So here we got two sides and an angle. Is that the included angle? Yes. Is the what's the name right? Yes. Both these two sides include an angle. So what can we say? Therefore, triangle KLM, the order was right, is congruent to triangle PRO. Why? Side angles. Says, no? This is this. Look at number 5. Let's look at number 5. It's easy, no?
Yes.
I don't like maths would be so easy. So they're not challenging us enough. No? You also feel like it?
It's fine.
It's fine. Right, let's look at the next one. What can I say here? In triangle XYZ and triangle, so we got X going to Y to the 90 through the stroke 1. So it will be E, D, F. Can you see that, people? It must be the same path that I follow here. So you got X, Y, Z. So it's going through the line marked 1 and then 90. So it has to go that way. Can you see that? Right, so what do I say about these two triangles? Angle Y is equal to angle T, which is equal to 90. Why? Given. Next, XY is equal to DE, given. One more. ZY is equal to DFY, given. Therefore, triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle EDF. EDF. Side angle side. We use two lengths and included angle. Why can't I use RHS here? We're not using that part, we use this. Okay. Number 6. What can we say here? In triangle, M, P, R, and triangle, M, P, so it must be G, F, H. We have two sides and an angle. Is this the included angle? No. So can I prove congruency here? No. So therefore triangle MPR is not congruent to triangle GFH. And your reason there is not enough information given. Okay. Or you can say we need to know the included angle. Okay. Does it make sense, people? Let's look at number 9. No, 7. 7's first. So then do is I move this over. You can get some space to write. Okay. Right. So let's look at number 7. In number 7, again we must prove that these two triangles are congruent. Alright. So which are the two triangles? It's in triangle A, B, C. And triangle A, D, C. Why am I going that order? Because of the angles of the sides that would be equal. What can I say first? AB is equal to AD. Why? Given. Another one. BC is equal to CD. Why? Given. Then AC angle A is common. No. They have different angles. What can you say about AC? AC is in both triangles, not so? Here we got ACB and ACD. So so the length AC is in both triangles. The same thing. So we say AC is a common side. Common side. So there we have three sides that is equal. So therefore triangle ABC. Yeah, we can put here in the side is if you want. No? If sometimes you're getting confused. You can write on the side is. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Why? Side. Did you guys understand? I'm going to do number 9 first, and then I'm going to move the picture over. Let's look at 9. In number 9, it will be in triangle ABC and triangle. So you've got ABC. In which triangle is it? DCB. Okay. What's the first thing we can say about those two triangles? Sorry, AB equal to DC. Why? Given. Angle A, angle D, which is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Given. Last one. Last one. BC is a common side. You see here? In ABC and DBC. Can you see? That BC is common in both triangles. Okay, I thought it would be stupid. But okay. So what did we use here? We used a side, an angle, which is 90 degrees, and we use the hypotenuse. Yes. Why? Because that is 90, so that's your hypotenuse. So what case of congruency is this? RHS. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. Why? Okay, you guys understand? Right. So let's move the diagram over a bit. First take us out here. Who's in the club, sir? Who's knocking like it? You? Alright, let's look at number 8. What can we say here? In triangle PQR and triangle SRQ. What can I say? First things first. Sorry? Angle P is equal to angle S. Why? Given. Next. QRS is a common side. It's in both triangles. Correct? Common side. One more. So it's an angle, a side. If we use a side, it must be the included angle. Okay? Which is not the case. So we must use another angle. Yes. Which angle? Can I just say Q? No. Because why? It's only that part that you are referring to. So SQR or RQS? So RQS is equal to angle PRQ or QRP. Why? Given. So we got another angle here. Can you see that? So therefore triangle PQR is congruent to triangle SRQ. Why? Angle side. S, you say what? S. Okay. Last one, people, number 10. In number 10 we are given this is the case here. So what are we going to do here? In triangle A, B, C and triangle E, D, C. Nice. So what can I say? Sorry, angle A is equal to angle E. Why? Given. Right, what else? Angle B is equal to angle DY. Given. One more. So we got two angles, so we must use a side. Remember, for congruency, there's always a case where there's a side. In all the cases, there's a side. So we must use a side. So AC is equal to C. Why? Now we can say, therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC. Why? Angle length. Alright? So it's fairly simple, people. Alright, so this is something that must be often practiced, okay? So which page was that on? 130 something. Alright. So for homework, I want you guys to do exercise 3. You do number 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 4 now. You'll do number 5. No. Okay, you will do the rest of the exercise, okay? So I'm going to take a few out and I will do it on the board, okay? I'll go slowly through it. But whatever is left of this exercise, you're going to do for homework, okay? Is that okay? So I'm going to start off with number 4. This girl that's talking here in the background. Stop it, please, ne? This is exercise 2 or 3? Exercise 3, page 139. 49. Thank you. So exercise 3 on page 149. Write the reference down and draw this triangles here for me quickly. Okay? I'm going to pause the video at this point. Right, so let's do this. So we are told that in exercise 3, page 149, prove that AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD by using congruency. And we also told that C1 is equal to C2. As you can also see on the diagram, both is marked with 2 arcs there. Okay. So where do we start? Start by saying, in triangle ADC. So you've got ADC. And triangle BDC. Not BCD, BDC. Right, what can we say? Right, so write that down. C1 is equal to C2. Why? Given. Yes. C1 is equal to C2. Given. Now you write down the next one you think should be the case. Don't call it out yet, ne? C1 equal to C2 is given. Right, you feel it? Yourself, Pinky. Alright. We're waiting for you, ne? Right, what's the next one? What can we say? Sorry? B1? T1 is equal to? T2 equal to 90. Why? They gave it D1 is 90. So D2 is also 90. Why? So angles on a straight line. Or you could have first said that D2 plus 90 equals 180 straight line. And then say D2 is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degrees, which is equal to D1. If you've gone from there straight into this, full marks. Okay. Last one. One more. We have an angle, we have another angle, so we must use a side. We must use a side. Sorry, somebody said it? Angle CD. Angle CD. It's a side, it's a CD. CD is a common side. Not so. That is in both triangles. So therefore, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. Why is that the case? You got? Angle, side. Can you see that? And what case of congruency is this? Sorry, I just did it. The question says, we must prove that AD is equal to BD. Now, this is the reason why order is important. AD is equal to BD. Therefore, AD is equal to BD. Why? Because triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. 5 marks or something like this. 5 of this, 25 marks in the back. You'll pause this, is it? Nice. Nice. I like it. It's just a pity they don't ask you 5. No? They just give you 1 of it. Yeah, because imagine you get that 1 right, you're going to get all 5 right. Imagine you get that 1 wrong. Right, that's a different story. Right, let's choose another one. 7. Right, there we go. Number 7. What do you say? It's flying. Why, what does that mean? It looks like it's flying. Oh, you're seeing a butterfly. Okay. Keep that in mind till grade 11, okay? We talk about butterflies and stuff like that, okay? Euclidean geometry, grade 11. Right, draw quickly. Then I'm going to go straight into the sum, okay? Because the bell is going to ring soon. You guys ready for this? Make quick. Sure. Sorry? Now, whose fault is that? You're not writing enough at home, that's why. Huh? You do a lot of work at home. Schoolwork and so on. Who are you lying to? Right, let's do this. The question says prove that triangle ABD or ABD is congruent to triangle DAC. Okay? So for DAC we got an arc there. So ABC. We have this double arc. No, not the double arc. You will have this thing. No. Double arc is on top. No? No. Yeah, it's on top. So this is the triangle I'm drawing just now. So it's going to be the double there, which is A. Not so. Sorry? Not that one. You shake your head for something else. Now if you shake your head, then I think it's wrong. You can't have your own conversation and shake your head when I'm talking now. Alright, let's do this. So what can we say about the two triangles? Angle A, 1. So first in triangle is absolutely. And triangle BAC. Right, what can we say? A1, B1. Why? Given. Right, what else do we know? O1. O1 is not in this triangle, my girl. Angle D and C. So we must use a side now, no? Given. One more. Yes? AB is not the angle A1 and B1. That's length AB. Can you see AB is in both triangles? Can you see that? Yes. Well done there. So AB is a common side. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle BAC. Congruent, yes, sorry. Why? We use two angles and a side. AAS, yeah. Right, you guys got it? Now looking at, now you must remember that AB is equal to AB. Then BD is equal to AC. And AD is equal to BC. Can you see that, people?
Straight after school. Thank you.
You guys understand? So now the question says, let's just wrap this up quickly. The question says, you must prove that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. So you got AOD and BOC. Can you see that? So what can we say first? I did say that already. O1 is equal to O2. Vertically opposite. Okay? Then angle D is equal to angle C. That was given to us. Okay? And the last one is that AD is equal to BC. You see here, remember I indicated it here. So we got AD equal to BC. Why? Because triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. Okay, so therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Why? You use two angles and a side. People, enjoy the long weekend. And for those of you celebrating Eid on Tuesday, Eid Mubarak. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye.